Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dharshini K, currently pursuing third year in B.Tech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today, I am going to present Experiment 4, which is the implementation of Hidden Markov Model using Python. The aim of this experiment is to find the sequence of hidden states from a known sequence of observations using the Hidden Markov Model, also called HMM. In this experiment, we consider two hidden states, sunny and rainy. The observable states are happy and sad. Now I will explain the algorithm step by step. Step 1, we define the transition matrix. This matrix gives the probability of moving from one hidden state to another hidden state. Step 2, we define the emission matrix. This specifies the probability of observing each observation for a particular hidden state. Step 3, we define the initial probabilities. These probabilities represent the chance of starting in each hidden state. Step 4, we define the observed sequence that needs to be analyzed. Step 5, we initialize the alpha matrix with zeros. Each row represents a time step and each column represents a hidden state. Step 6, we calculate the first row of the alpha matrix using the initial probabilities and emission probabilities. Step 7, next, we loop through the observed sequence and calculate the remaining values of the alpha matrix using transition and emission probabilities. Step 8, then we calculate the probability of the observed sequence by summing the last row of the alpha matrix. Step 9, finally, we determine the most likely sequence of hidden states by selecting the state with the highest probability at each time step. Now, coming to the program implementation, in the Python program, we import the NumPy library for numerical calculations. Then we define the transition matrix, emission matrix, initial probabilities, and observed sequence. After that, we compute the alpha values using loops and probability calculations. Finally, the program prints the probability of the observed sequence and the most likely weather state sequence. The output shows the predicted sequence of hidden states as sunny or rainy based on the observations given. Thus, the hidden Markov model was successfully implemented using Python. Thank you.